What's up, YouTube world? So we got another couple guitar projects. So my buddy Stu with Gifted Guitars, I'll put a link up here and show you where to go. So he sent me a couple guitars because we were in church and they were talking about they needed guitars and instruments for the youth trying to learn how to play. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna use my talents. I'm gonna make a guitar. And I said, you know what? I might make two. So Stu said, I got two, shipping them to you. So here they are. Check this out. All right, so there's the first one. I think that goes to the red one. Oh yeah, look at this. I like that. That looks really cool. So this goes to this little jewel. So this is a Six Flag version guitar. He said they give these away. I used to give them away at the parks. So we got to get all this finish off of this. And he said they're all playable. I'm wondering if I can put a pick guard over this. I'm gonna look into that because I think it would look better to cover up all these pickups with a pick guard. So anyway, so it has some little indentions, some little dings and dents, whatnot. That's all kind of wompy jawed right there. That's the, into the finish. I think it's some kind of like just plasticky looking finish I can take off with a heat gun. Whoops, there's just my screws. All right, so that goes to that with this. So I might take this headstock and smooth it out and make it one kind of like a one smooth thing, or I might just smooth this out like this and leave one notch, kind of like this one. I don't know. We'll figure that out as the time goes by. So this is kind of eating up on the back here. So I'm gonna take my sandpaper and sand it. These frets are sharp too. I'm going to do a little work on the frets. Then we'll make sure they're level. We'll do a little fret level. Looks pretty straight. Let's see if there's a truss rod in there. I'm sure there's a truss rod in there, but it's way, way up in there. We'll have to figure that out. He said this nut was loose, so we'll have to re-glue the nut back in. And I want to do one of these and put "make a joyful noise" right here, and maybe put a cross on the back or a cross right here. And I want to, of course, incorporate the Gifted Guitars logo. He said he sent me some of those. Here they are. So here's some Gifted Guitar logos. Maybe we could put that on here so they know where it came from. And let's see what else we got in here. So that's the first. Oh wow! So that's the first guitar. Here's the second guitar. Similar Strat style. Now this one, crap, I'm gonna drop it. So this one, same thing. It's got some kind of wonky, plasticky looking finish on it. That's got some stuff that needs to be worked out. That's kind of free spinning, which I screwed that in, fix that. It's got a little gap right there. I don't know, it's got, what else? That's not a full crack, that's just a dent. Back's in good shape there. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's like a plastic. I think a heat gun's gonna get that right off. You know what, I'm gonna see what's under him. If it's got some nice looking wood that I can work with, I might use that. But I have a feeling they're probably just like a crappy press board or something. So anyway, so we're gonna get the sander out and the heat gun and get all this off. Like I said, he said they're playable, so we're gonna see. Here's the neck for this one right here. So it's gonna look like that. I would really dig that. Looks cool. Good looking neck. This one hardly doesn't need much at all. It's got a little dent there. I can sand that out. But we got all the tuner stuff, which is good. I'm just gonna reuse all that. Just clean it up. These are not as sharp, but they are a little sharp. So we're gonna work with what we got. So neck's straight though. That's good. See truss rod on that. Same thing, it's way down deep in there. So I'm not even gonna worry about a truss rod adjustment until I get it all together and everything and see if it needs it, but it looks pretty straight. The frets look good. No big deal there. I don't know what that line is, it's weird. But we'll clean all that up. I'm excited. All right, so that's what we got. 2 Strat style guitars to redo. This one should be the easier of the two because I got to figure out all this. But stay tuned as we get these going. So I just want to give you all a quick unboxing and show you what we're going to be working on. More guitar stuff. Stay tuned. Another exciting thing. So I bought a Cricket Explorer 3. So I got a great deal on that on eBay. So we got that for like 130 bucks with a bunch of vinyl and all the stuff that came with it. I plugged it up. I already made a sticker for it right off my iPhone. So hopefully it should be quick and easy. But I figured, you know what, if I'm gonna be doing these guitars, I need something to make my stickers so I can use it to spray, like a stencil to spray paint whatever I want to spray paint, or to use it to make my own stickers to dress up the guitars. So anyway, I got one of those, so stay tuned. I'll use that on the projects as well. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.